YouTube fam? It's your boy titanicfeetjack back at you again with another video. Before we get started with today's video, hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I load up a video here on this YouTube channel. I'd like to send a shout out to everyone that's subscribed to the channel already. Really appreciate you. We steady growing. We at 200 plus subscribers. We on that charge to 1,000. So continue to watch the videos, share the videos, and we looking to add more people to the team. So keep subscribing, and I thank y'all very much. Enough of that rambling on. We're going to get into today's shoe. Let's take a look at the box. It says Air Jordan 5 Retro. Color black, emerald, fire red, size 9. Take a look at the box. Standard Retro 5 box. Nike Air. Jordan Jumpman. Underneath. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sneakers. We have that standard black trash bag paper. And what do we have here? Whoa! Top 3 Retro 5s. Get these sneakers out. Get a good look at those bad boys. Those released this past Saturday. And the Eagle landed earlier today. So we're going to take a look at these. Check them out. This sneaker is a combination of 3 Retro 5s that came out in the past. First up, that black metallic. Then we have some of that fire red. And we have the grape. All 3 of those retro colorways are combined in this sneaker. But what set this sneaker off? Got the stitched on Nike Air on the back. Let's get into the sneaker. Yes, we have a nice, smooth or nubuck on the upper of the sneaker. We have that clear netting that's symbolic to the Retro 5s. We have that stitched on red 23 back here on the heel. On to the midsole, we have this translucent where it goes underneath the sneaker to the outsole. We also have that metallic 5 shark teeth action going on, along with the fire red here on the midsole. We have the exposed air unit in here, which is white or translucent. Let's turn it around to the heel of the sneaker. We got that stitched on Nike Air, white lettering. And you look behind the tongue. It's upside down, fire red, metallic, and grape, which are the 3 sneakers that they took a part of to make this one sneaker. Look on the inside of this sneaker. Nice and smooth. Got your netting. It's a Retro 5. And look at your midsole. Got that fire red action going on here with that black metallic to top it off, which starts here and go all the way around to the other side of the sneaker. You have the air unit, translucent outsole. Let's go ahead to the bottom of the sneaker so you can read it. I'll just turn it over. We have that emerald green Jordan Jumpman underneath the translucent right here on the upper part of the foot. We have that black right here at the edge of the toe on your outsole. We have that fire red Nike down here, and to top it off with the heel is translucent. I'm gonna go ahead here, look at the toe box, get a good look. Okay, it came equipped with black laces. This is the only pair of laces it came with. Going up the tongue, we have that clear plastic netting. We have the clear lace lock with the black push pin. Has a white Jordan Jumpman on there. And to top it off, we have that Grape tongue with the emerald Jordan Jumpman stitched on. And one look, let's look on the inside of the sneaker. I forgot to show this to you guys. We have a black insert with Nike Air on it in white lettering. Take a look at the sneaker real quick. Comment below, let me know, did you guys get this sneaker? If you got it, has it arrived yet? Tell me what you think of this sneaker. Did you double up? It's a nice, pretty sneaker, but every sneaker isn't made for everybody. Everyone has their preference, but this is a pretty cool sneaker, guys. This sneaker this sneaker came with a price tag of $200. I don't know, a lot of stores still have a few pairs hanging around, so if you're still looking for a pair they're out there, you can grab your pair for retail. Comment below, tell me if you're still looking for the sneaker. Let me know what you think of the shoe in the comment section. Gonna wrap this video up. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great day.